This is the solution video for section 1.7, problem number 13. Find an equation for the tangent line to the curve y equals x squared plus 6x plus 9 when x is equal to -1. All right, so there's two things that I need to know in order to write the equation of a line. The first is a point, and the second is a slope. All right, so the point is going to be x comma y. So we start off with x is equal to -1, right? And so -1 comma y. Well, y when x is -1, right? So I need to evaluate y when x is equal to -1. All right, so that means -1 squared plus 6x, sorry, 6 times -1 plus 9. All right, so -1 squared is +1 minus 6 plus 9. So -5 plus 9 is 4. So that means my point is -1 comma 4. All right, then we need the slope. All right, so the slope is going to be, remember, the slope of the tangent line at x equals -1. We're going to find that by evaluating the limit as x, not x, h approaches 0 of f of a plus h. So that would be uh, a plus h, so -1 plus h quantity squared plus 6 times -1 plus h plus 9, right? That's f of a plus h minus f of a, so that would be -1 squared plus 6 times -1 plus 9, right? And all of that divided by h. So now we have this limit to evaluate. All right, so I'm going to simplify. All right, so I have -1 plus h, so that'd be +1 minus 2h plus h squared, and then distribute the 6. So -6 plus 6h plus 9. And then this whole thing, well, I've already done that work. That's 4. So -4. All right. So now we need to remember that everything without h must subtract out. So I have a 1 minus a 6, -5, plus a 9 is +4, -4. Those do, in fact, all subtract out. So now I'm left with -2h plus h squared plus 6h. So if I do this, I get 4h plus h squared all over h, and the limit as h approaches 0. So now I can factor out an h in the numerator, but remember, keep writing the limit. So h times 4 plus h over h. So of course h reduces. I'm left with the limit as h approaches 0 of 4 plus h. So I evaluate with h equals 0, and I get 4. All right, so now what does that mean? All right. All right. So let's move that up. So now I have my point and my slope. And so I'm going to write the equation of the tangent line. All right, so the equation of the tangent line, y minus 4, that should be a minus, sorry, y minus 4 equals slope of 4 times x minus -1.